Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Focus. This is where prioritized alerts live. Tap each focus, for example, personal or work, to see who and which apps are allowed. Once there, remove contacts or apps that you no longer want marked as priority so they stop bypassing silence. Make sure to also disable scheduled times and smart activation. This prevents Focus from auto-enabling and reintroducing priority behavior. These first actions stop new priority entries from taking effect immediately. Next, delve into each Focus's allowed apps and people sections to refine exceptions. You remove specific apps that have priority permission so they won't notify during Focus. Do the same for contacts so calls and messages stay muted. Once done, adjust calls from to no one or only favorites if you need emergency access. Also check Focus status so apps stop showing your silencing notifications. Once configured, your chosen Focus profile will honor the new stricter rules. To finish, inspect emergency bypass on important contacts. Open contacts, edit, and switch emergency bypass off to prevent calls or texts from overriding silence. Then review individual app settings for badges, sounds, and time-sensitive notifications. Turn those off so apps can't label alerts as priority. Once everything is changed, restart your iPhone to ensure settings apply. If problems persist, reset Focus settings and rebuild only the exceptions you truly need.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.